And I let my spirit fall into the shadow where I heard the horizon call. I was drifting in the gray until you reached for my hand, lifting me up from the dust of this weary land. My soul is a fortress, standing weathered and tall, but in the warmth of your light I let the barriers fall. I found my rhythm in the breath of your stride, walking the path with nothing left to hide. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. In the games you'd play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
Oh ma sainte endurance, je puise en moi une nouvelle espérance. Le chemin est long, mais j'ai la force, la confiance. Je marche vers l'aube, vers ma délivrance. Je m'élève enfin loin de cette errance. Dernière danse
Pour transformer ma peine en puissance,
je veux m'enfuir,
briser le silence. Oh, ma sainte endurance, remue le ciel, le jour, la nuit. Je danse avec le vent, la pluie. Un peu d'amour, un brin de miel. Et je danse, 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 danse. Et dans le bruit, je cours vers la lumière. Je brise mes chaînes, je quitte la poussière. Sous le grand ciel, je m'abandonne et je m'envole, vol, 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 vol. When I lay with the stars, I feel the infinite peace. Watching the ghosts of the past finally find their release. Every heartbeat is a drum, every breath is a prayer. Ascending the mountain, breathing the celestial air. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. In the games you'd play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. But it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. Quelle espérance, sur ce chemin je trouve ma propre présence. Je cultive la paix, je forge ma propre brillance, pleine de sang